When somebody is considering selling their home, the first thing we do is have a consultation. And during that consultation, we're determining why you're selling, what your timelines are, where you're going after any transition planning, everything that you would need to figure out what your goals are in terms of selling the home. At that time, you can also ask me any questions. And at the end of the initial meeting, we're determining if we want to work together or not. Once we decide that we're going to work together, the next step is the most important part. How are we pricing this and what's our strategy to sell this home and maximize the value for you? We talk about the current market conditions, the absorption rate, buyers' expectations. Then we're looking at how we're going to market the home. Professional photos, floor plans, a video. It really depends on where your buyer hangs out. We want to reach the buyers where they're at. Market your home so you reach the largest pool of buyers. Once we start receiving offers, we're seeing what price they're offering, the strength of the financing, if the buyer's getting financing, what terms they're offering, how long they want for inspections, closing. We're looking at everything in the contract, what your needs are, and how we're going to negotiate the terms of the contract to represent your best interests. Once we review the offers, look at the terms, and negotiate, we're accepting an offer. Then that starts the contract to close phase. We're managing the process from contract to closing to make sure everything happens on time, there aren't any issues, and we have a successful closing. If you're considering selling your home, please reach out. I'd love to have an initial consultation with you and see how we could work together.